Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will show you how to change country region on your PlayStation 5. Now, in order to change country region on your PlayStation 5, you actually need to change the country region of your PSN. Now, basically, first of all, what you want to do is you want to set up a VPN on your computer. NordVPN should be your best bet. This is very simple VPN and it will show you that once you log in you will be able to quickly connect to any country on the planet basically. Now from there, obviously once you select the country you need to connect to a server in another country, right? You selected the country, let's say it's USA or maybe Europe or anything like a country in Europe, right? Then from there, what you want to do is you want to make a new PSN account. Now, unfortunately, this is the only way to change the PSN region on PS5 and PS4. You need to make a new PSN account. If you have a spare email address, now it's good time to actually use it. So make sure to go here, create an account, and as you can see, you can select, for example, for this case, we selected USA, Florida. So we put a city, Fort Myers, Florida, and then postal code as well. You can use the generators online of the addresses, or if you have an address, it would be good to use an address that you already know, or maybe have a friend there so you can use an address. Now, finally, you need to turn on your PS5, PS4 after after you choose your username, confirm the account creation. You will need to verify your account via email. Then you need to turn on the PS5 and you need to basically go and log in, and add a user and sign in with your new account. Now, if you made an account in the US region, you'll see prices in US dollars as well as discounts and all the other stuff. But this is basically, in a nutshell, how you can change region on PS5. If you have any questions or comments, you can always comment down below, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.